Good morning. Thank you for calling Sunshine Hotel. How may I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to make a reservation for 2 nights.
May I have your name, please?
This is Trisha Magtoto.
Thank you, Miss Magtoto. What date will you be staying with us?
It's March 10 for 2 nights.
Noted, ma'am. What type of room would you prefer?
A deluxe room with 1 queen bed and non-smoking, please.
Very well, ma'am. The rate is 3,500 pesos per night. May I ask how you would like to guarantee your booking? We accept cash, credit card, debit card, or online bank transfer.
I will use my credit card to grant you the reservation.
Thank you, ma'am. May I have your card details for booking purposes? Your reservation is now confirmed. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Do you have any special request?
Yes, I prefer a quiet room.
Noted, ma'am. We look forward to welcoming you to Sunshine Hotel. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. May I park your card for you?
Yes, sure.
Thank you, ma'am. And here's your valid credit card. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to Sunshine Hotel.
Good afternoon, Ms. Magtoto. Welcome. May I see your ID, please? You are now checked in. Here's your key card. Your room is 305. Breakfast is 6 to 10 a.m.
Ma'am, I will escort you to your room. Come this way. Ma'am, here's your room. Ma'am, this is your room. The air condition and TV remotes are here. If you need assistance, please dial 0123. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, may I request extra towel?
For a while, ma'am, I will bring them right away. Housekeeping. Here's your extra towel, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse ma'am, may I assist your luggage, ma'am?
Yes,
Come this way, ma'am, to the front desk area.
Good morning. I'd like to check out.
Certainly, ma'am. Here's your bill. Your total is 6,500 pesos. Here's my payment. Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you for staying, ma'am. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.
Morning, ma'am. May I have your valid credit card? Thank you, ma'am. And I will bring your card shortly. Hi, ma'am. Your card now is ready. Here's your key.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy your ride.
Miss Magtoto has successfully checked out. We will send a thank you email and guest satisfaction survey. Dear Miss Magtoto, thank you for choosing Sunshine Hotel for your recent stay. We truly appreciate your visit and hope you had a comfortable and enjoyable experience. We will be grateful if you could take a few minutes to answer our guest satisfaction survey. Your feedback will help us improve our services. We look forward to welcoming you again soon.
Oh, that's nice. They send me an email. I leave a review. I had a wonderful stay here at Sunshine Hotel. The staff were friendly, the room was clean, and the service was excellent. I will definitely come back.